Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious donuts using baking powder. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Sift these together in a large bowl. This step helps to combine everything thoroughly and prevents lumps, ensuring a smooth batter for your donuts. It's a simple start to a sweet treat. Next, we'll prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter until well combined. Now, slowly pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix gently until everything is just incorporated. It's crucial not to overmix the dough, as this can lead to tough donuts. A few small lumps are actually a good sign for a tender texture. Now for the fun part, shaping and frying. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes. Carefully drop them into oil preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Be sure to work in batches to maintain the oil temperature. Finally, let's glaze these delicious homemade donuts. For a simple glaze, whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. While your donuts are still warm, dip each one into the glaze, letting any excess drip back into the bowl. Place them on a wire rack to set. They're perfect for breakfast or a sweet treat. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.